Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in today's video I would like to show you how to use Sidekick to create automatic flows in your Shopify store. Recently we made the telephone number in one of our stores optional, but the problem is that it's actually required by the carrier when the customer is paying using cash on delivery. So now how we are handling the situation is that whenever there is an order using cash on delivery with no telephone number, we have to manually contact the customer to provide us with a number. So I thought this would be a great idea to test the new Sidekick and Flow and create an automatic flow that will check the order. And if it's paid on cash on delivery but doesn't have a phone number, it will automatically send an email to the customer asking him or her to provide us with a phone number. So I'm now in my Shopify store. I will go to Flow. I will click on Create Workflow and I will paste my prompt here, which is basically what I just explained. Okay, and the flow is ready. It didn't take Sidekick longer than 20 seconds. So let's preview it. It looks good. I can also change the content of the email to whatever I like. Now I will click on Add to Store and I will turn it on. Okay, the flow is active. There is also tag Sidekick, which means it was created by Sidekick. Let's go to the live store and see if the flow is working. I will do one test order. Okay, I'm now in my inbox. So as you can see, this is the standard order confirmation email. And at the same time, I've also received the automatic email, which was just created by Sidekick. So everything is working as expected. I guess in the future, we can add another flow that will control when customer replies, and it will take the phone number and automatically adds it to the relevant order. Thanks much for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.